Constitutional crisis is unfolding in Samoa after the country's Prime Minister-elect was barred from taking her oath of office. Fast Party leader Fiame Naomi Mataafa showed up to be inaugurated following an election victory. However, the doors of Parliament were locked.
An extraordinary swearing-in had to be held in a nearby tent. However, its authenticity is being questioned this morning. I'm joined now from Samoa by Taulapapa Brenda Heather-Latu. She's a lawyer for the Fast Party and a former Attorney General who conducted yesterday's alternative swearing-in ceremony. Good morning to you. Extraordinary scenes yesterday. Take us through how it unfolded.
Good morning, Michael. We've been in court on behalf of the Fast Party because since the 9 April general election, the caretaker government has thrown the kitchen sink at allowing the people who were elected and who had a majority to take government. So it started with adding an additional member of parliament. We challenged that and we won. That was followed by, the night before that hearing, by the head of state declaring the results of the last general election revoked, and then calling for new elections with a 2-week notice period. We challenged that, and it was found to be unlawful. The Sunday before the Parliament was supposed to be convened yesterday, yet another order was made by the head of state revoking his original order to convene. We went to court on Sunday. The court said that that revocation was unlawful. So we tried to convene Parliament yesterday morning. There was upset and sorrow in the morning, but joy came in the afternoon when we continued and we convened under a tent outside our very sad, empty Parliament. So
we have two Prime Ministers effectively this morning, don't we?
Well, there's only one who is validly appointed, and that's the Honourable Fiame Naomi Mataafa.
So how is this going to play out? What happens next if the caretaker Prime Minister doesn't leave and hand over power?
Well, there will be the need to basically transition out the caretaker, and that will be done according to our cultural traditions, with the tradition that we have of speaking with one another and seeking the dignity and the honour of the person that we're speaking with to do the right thing.
Are you confident he will do the right thing?
I'm not entirely confident, but...
And I guess the next question, which most people would want me to ask, what happens next? What is the potential for things to, I guess, spiral out of control or get even more uncertain on the ground in Samoa?
Well, Michael, we've actually been in a constitutional crisis since our general election because the losers, the current administration and government, refused to accept the votes of the people. What happened yesterday morning was a disgrace to our country. What happened in the afternoon was a restoration of democracy and the rule of law. The situation we now have is that we have convened a parliament within the 45 days after the general election. We believe that we're on constitutional and legal solid grounds. We've gone to the court and we are acting in accordance with their declarations. The caretaker government are not.
Taulapapa Brenda Heather-Latu, thank you so much for joining us. I appreciate your time and we all hope things end in a peaceful way in Samoa. Thanks for your time.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Michael.